Relative Atomic Mass, Chlorine, by KayScience.com. Chlorine has a mass number of 35.5 and an atomic number of 17. The big number is always the mass number, and the small number is always the atomic number. The red circle represents the protons, and the green circle represents the electrons. As the atomic number is 17, it tells us there are 17 protons and 17 electrons. The red circle represents the protons and the blue circle represents the neutrons. We already know from the atomic number there are 17 protons, and to calculate the number of neutrons we do the mass number take away the atomic number, so that's 35.5 take away 17. This would mean there are 18.5 neutrons. But it's impossible to get half a neutron, so why do we write 18.5? As it's impossible to have half a neutron, let's now work to understand why we have 35.5 as the mass number for chlorine. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Well, it's very important to understand there are two isotopes of chlorine. If you do not know what an isotope is, you need to watch the previous video explaining what isotopes are. Chlorine is a halogen found in group 7, and at room temperature, it's a yellow-green gas. This cloud represents a sample of chlorine gas. In any sample of chlorine gas, no matter how big the volume is, there will always be 25% of it made up of chlorine-37, one of the isotopes of chlorine. The other 75% of the chlorine gas is made up of an isotope where the mass number is 35. It's very important to remember that both of these atoms belong to the same element. This is because they have the same number of protons, and it's the number of protons that decides which element atoms belong to. And what makes them isotopes is that they have a different number of neutrons, yet they have the same number of protons. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. This means we can't have two mass numbers for every element, or three mass numbers for every element depending on how many isotopes there are on the periodic table. To make things easier, we have just one mass number for each element on the periodic table. This number is the relative atomic mass, or AR for short. This is just a more in-depth way of saying mass number. The relative atomic mass describes the average mass of all the isotopes of that element. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So you need to know how to calculate the AR. This is the relative atomic mass. And the equation for this is the sum of isotope abundance multiplied by the isotope mass number. You then divide this by 100. The sum of is another way of saying adding. We're now going to calculate the relative atomic mass of chlorine using the data above. So here I'm multiplying the percentage abundance and the atomic mass of chlorine-35. And for the next isotope, I multiplied 25% by 37. I then add these two sums together and divide them by 100. This is 2,625 plus 925 divided by 100. So we get 3,550 divided by 100. This equals 35.5, and we have just calculated the average mass of both isotopes. If you learn this equation, calculating the relative atomic mass of any isotopes will be very easy. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.